Good afternoon. Welcome to Door County Candy's new, bigger and better Door County Candy. We expanded our store. We bought the store next door, and we're delighted to let you know that we're open now on both sides. And I'd like to take you inside and see some of the store. Before we step inside, you can see where the old store was. It's kind of where the awning is there. And we've got a new awning in the works. Actually, a gal's coming right now to measure us up. But we'll take you inside and show you some of what's going on. So, one of the big things we really did was tried to maintain all the brick that we could throughout the store. We just really like the feel of the brick and the old-fashioned feel. It really gives a really good feel to the store. And it also gives a sense of the old-fashionedness, as does the hardwood floors that throughout the store. Just some things we really wanted to hold on to the old-fashioned feel and character of the building. We also, well, we moved all our items from the other side, but here's the new expanded licorice section, which we'll be adding on as we get further into our remodel here. If you pan this way, you'll notice that we've got additional chocolate and fudge cases. So this is our brand new chocolate case, 6 foot of happiness and joy. And then right over there, the taller case over there with the fudge in is the new fudge case. So delighted to add those to the other 2 chocolate cases. So we just can't hardly keep up with what we got in the chocolate, so we're making bigger and better. If we pan over this way, you'll see our wall of fun, which we had before in the other store, but we downsized it a little bit, picked a few of the more popular items, and it seems to be working quite well, so people are noticing. Here's the chips from Italy, the Liberati chips, the Puccini chips, very popular for us. A lot of people looking for those. And I'll take you back over this way. One thing you'll notice is we put the tin ceiling in, which was a really big, I don't know, positive, good feel, again, for the old-fashioned look. And then the artwork of Tim Nyberg on the back wall. We're going to feature his stuff throughout the store. He was an artist in town that's just provided us with some really fantastic art. Behind the counters, what we're doing here is we're taking the chocolate cases and basically using that as a barrier. So on this side of the cases will be for the customer to peruse, and eventually on the other side of the case we want to get set up with an area for doing classes. Just some simple things that maybe a birthday party could do, like making a fudge pizza or something like that, or chocolate 101 boot camp type thing. Just some interactive things throughout the store. Another thing we've done in the store is we've taken and we've added, the couch isn't here yet, but there's going to be a really fun couch up front here that's coming from Poland, I believe, and it looks kind of like Willy Wonka-ish, and it's colorful and bright. It'll be a great photo spot for folks. And I'll take you over to the other side. Before we get to the other side, I want to take the camera and take a look down in here at our new, bigger, better candy kitchen. This is about 4 times the size of the area we had before, and we're using. Okay, so that's the nature of technology. In these old brick buildings, you're not going to be able to get coverage everywhere. I don't know if we have to cut this short and I lose you again. I'm going to try to take you over to the other side, to the pre-existing store. But as we go there, I want to just get a good look at the kitchen. I don't know if we lost that in the last little thing. But bigger, better candy kitchen, area for classes. So hopefully you guys can stick with me on the walk over. Just delighted beyond words to say what we've got, and listen to the old-fashioned floor as we go too. This is good stuff. We'll try to make it make a little noise. If you could pan the fudges, we've got much more room for fudges. Previously we just had about room for 14, and now we've got room for close to 30, so be ready for more choices and more options. So good stuff there. And then when you're in there, now we're crossing over into the old store. And you may not get too much looking with the light in the background, it might mess up the shot, but if we shoot over this way, you'll see the Cops Candy booth, which I've been very adamant about keeping them in the store. Okay, so yeah, we lost you again, no worries. And then if we look over here, one of the things I'm pretty proud of is how we've incorporated different things from around town in the store, but we did have a bookstore that went out of business, so we were able to acquire the books cases and change them into the saltwater taffy display, so that's kind of cool. There's actually quite a number of things throughout the store that are from different businesses through the years. But anyhow, a much bigger selection of saltwater taffy and better, easier to shop. Lots of colorful candies. And then towards the back, the Cops Candy booths. I don't know if I'm going to lose you here, but the booths are in the back, and now people can see them. If you come around from this way, maybe you'll get a little better look at them. And the wall of candy is growing, so good stuff. And then also we've given them, each of our areas their own area. So for instance, this one here is the popcorn section. Again, the wonderful artwork of Tim Nyberg, good stuff. But just getting ready to make a batch of cheese corn. The girls are in the back making chocolates. And we've given each of those our main categories, being the chocolate, the fudge, the ice cream, and the gourmet popcorns. Given them each their own little footprint in the store. So good stuff. I'm delighted to share it with you online here, and I'm really more delighted to see you folks inside. And then we've got, as before, we've got 2 cash stands for ringing out, which will be great. And in the back, I'm not going to take you back there because I think I'll lose you with the thing, but the ice cream section is in the back. So, and we're in the works of trying to get that converted over to a soda fountain, but we're a ways out on that, so that'll come when it's ready. Now, do we open this up to a chance for people able to interact? Okay, okay. All right, I think that's a pretty good wrap. Thank you for checking us out, and we are just glad to have you following us on Facebook, and don't forget to give us a little plug when you get a chance. We really appreciate you.